understand, man. You're like a worm in the soil when they tell you this, and that. You gotta obey, man. Ganun yung so ako,
Overstand.
tatanggal yung mga lock. Ang dami rin mga lock na nabuksan nun sa utak ko. Sabi niya, overstand. Tapos, and then when you say you weak, you say, I see you on the weekend, you weak, what? You walking like a limp, motherfucker. You weak. They try to make you weak, man. Sabi naman niya, weekend, palitan mo strong end. I'll catch you in the strong end. Siyempre, hindi mo naman sinasabi kasi hindi tayo sanay sabihin yun. Pero kung spell yun, ini-spell ko sa'yo, catch you in the strong end. So, malakas tayo.
Oo, kasi nga, spelling out yung pagsasalita, di ba? You're spelling it out, di ba?
Have a great weekend. Okay, anong gagawin mo sa weekend? Iinom. Pang week. Diba?
And have a great week.
Tapos nag-e-enjoy ka sa weekend. Meaning, nagiinom ka, you're ending your life little by little, and then ending your joy.
Have a great weekend.
God damn.
Have a great weekend.